Today I am going to be doing a daily look unboxing for you. I have not tried this service before, so I'm so excited to try a new one. I have been doing just my favorites, and I've been admiring DailyLook for over a year, and I just decided let's give it a try. So this is my first time using them. If you're not familiar with DailyLook, they are a styling service. They'll send you about 10 pieces of clothing. I especially love this because you try on things that maybe you wouldn't normally try on, and in this pandemic, I don't necessarily even want to bother going into the malls, so it's also a convenience factor. I believe there is a $40 styling fee, however that's applied to the purchase of any items, and you just keep what you want and you send the rest back. There's no charge for postage. They include the address label, so it makes it nice and easy. So if you're new to my channel and you enjoy watching these unboxings, please hit the subscribe button. This way you won't miss anything, and be sure to give me the thumbs up. I'm gonna dive into this try-on, and as I'm trying things on, I'm gonna tell you about each item and all the details, and so let's go for it. The first thing I am wearing is from my DailyLook, and I really like it. These joggers are so comfortable. I love the light gray color, so they're very neutral. And the top is also from DailyLook, which is incredibly soft. It's like a fleece, and so very, very soft. It has this really cute detail down the shoulder of a zipper, and it is kind of a batwing kind of top, dolman sleeves. I'm not a big dolman sleeve fan. However, I don't know, I'm thinking this kind of works. I love the feel of it, and I love this little zipper detail. And so I think I can overlook the fact that it's a dolman sleeve. I typically find that dolman sleeves are not the most flattering, but black is something that is so versatile, and I tend to always wish I had more long sleeve black tops, and so this kind of fits the bill. It is just has a basic cuff. There's like a seam going up the sleeve, and super cute. And then these joggers are a very lightweight. I did request spring transitional pieces, and so this is perfect for that because it's so lightweight. They do have these nice pockets, and the little jogger cuff, she said to pair it with my favorite booties or loafers, so that's what I've done. I do feel actually both of these as being on the big side, and it's really kind of hard to pick up on camera, I think, but there is so much extra material in these joggers that I think I might request a smaller size in them. And even the top, I guess it's supposed to be, you can do off the shoulder, makes it a nice, alternative look. And so this is kind of nice to do kind of a one shoulder. The joggers are by Thread and Supply. They're the pull-on jogger. They're a small in gray. They're $85, and I am an extra small, and so I'm gonna see if they do come in extra small. And then the top is called the Katie Zipped Boat Neck Long Sleeve Top. This is an extra small. It's $72, and I just think it's just supposed to be big. And it's hard to tell if I like it because I feel the pants are so big that, but I think I would like it if I had a straighter pair of pants on with it. I do have a pair of skinny jeans to try on, so maybe I'll try it on with those. Super cute though, what do you think? do love the sleeve, and this is so incredibly soft. It is like a nice warm throw blanket. I've just tried these joggers on with a white top that came in the box. I like this white top. It's longer in the back, so it would be great with leggings. It's this wrap, however, it is stitched here, so it will not come undone. It's a very soft fabric, and it just kind of drapes down at the front. How cute is this? This is the Veronica M sleeveless Cupro surplus top, extra small in a cream for $75. Really cute, and it just gives these joggers an entirely different look. I still have the same booties on, but I could see in the summer just wearing a nice flat simple sandal, and it would be a very comfortable everyday kind of look. I've got the next outfit on. I've got these jeans and this top, same top as what I had on with the joggers. I just have a new pair of jeans on. These jeans feel incredible. They fit really well, and I like the color. I like the style. They're very stretchy, which I love. And there's no distressing. I like the placement of the pockets. I have found that I've been wearing a size 27 jean, and I'm really a 26, and so I would put on my jeans and they'd feel great if they were brand new or just out of the dryer, but then after wearing them for about an hour, I would totally get the saggy butt and having to pull them up. And so these are a 26. I found that fits me much better, so I'm kind of trying to incorporate some of the new sizes into my wardrobe because they just feel better. And then I just love this top. It is kind of a basic top, but it would go with so much of my stuff, and it's really soft. It feels like a beautiful quality. I love the fact that it's stitched right here so that it won't come undone, and I also love the fact that it's a little bit longer in the back. What do you think? Now, I think this would be a good transitional piece on maybe a chillier day. I could wear it with my denim jacket. I have this fabulous Liverpool kind of soft pink denim jacket that I got out of my Front Door Fashion box last year, but I think it's just such a cute jacket, and I just love the color. And so this piece underneath would really go with anything, but I just thought of this denim jacket would be perfect for spring, and it gives it a nice, fresh, springy look. She included a couple more tops that I'm going to try on with these jeans. These jeans are the Dylan Mid-Rise Ankle Skinny in a medium blue. They're 128. And I gave you the information on the top. Veronica M sleeveless Cargo surplus top, $75. So cute. This would take me through fall. I just love it. I love the jeans and the top. I've got the same jeans on, I just have a new top. This is so cute. It's a nice lightweight material. It's short sleeves. It's just really simple, but it's got this side tie knot, which isn't one that you see the ends. It's just kind of a hidden side knot. And I just think this is really cute. It would look super cute with a pair of white jeans. This is called the Side Knot Short Sleeve Top in navy for $72. And it is a small, and I do think I would probably benefit from an extra small in this, but I really think it's super cute. And I wear a lot of white jeans in the summer, so I think it would look adorable with white. All right, I've got the same jeans on again, but I've got the sweater on, and this sweater is super cute. It's really miles too big. They sent me a medium, and I'm an extra small, but it's still super cute. I'm gonna see if they have it in a smaller size. My guess is they probably don't. That's why she sent the medium, and I guess maybe some people like these really oversized, but it's already oversized, so I feel like it's like double whammy on the oversized. But it's a hoodie, and it's just really a soft fabric, and I just love this just simple neckline that goes right into the hood. I love the color. It's this nice, it's pretty similar to my denim jacket I just tried on. It's kind of this new blush. It's the new neutral. The top is called the Charlotte Ribbed Hoodie. It's in a blush color. It's $78. And I do wish it was a better fit for me, but we'll see if they can exchange it. This next top on, again, it's just a very soft fabric, and I love all this ruching. I find that that's really flattering. And again, it's a wrap, but it's a higher neck wrap, so it is not stitched, which is okay because it's a higher cut, but I think it's really cute. Again, this would look fabulous with a pair of white jeans, but it's a nice transitional piece. I can pretty much put any kind of jacket or sweater on it, and it would be good to go. This is called the Angelica Star Cross Front Sleeveless Top. It's a size small, and it's $68. Now, this is a tighter fit, so I feel any smaller would probably be too small. It seems to fit under the arms. Super nice. I've got one more thing to try on. It's actually a dress, so I'll do that and then we'll wrap it up. This is the final item in my box. I think it's so cute. I love these colors. It is kind of a faux wrap. There's a little slit in the front with a little ruffle down the hem of the slit, and it looks like that ruffle is just in the front, not the back. So it kind of gives you a visual like it's a wrap, but it's not a wrap. And then there's elastic in the back. It looks like the straps are adjustable. I would probably need to adjust it up a little bit, but I love the sexiness of that slit, and it's not so high that it would make me self-conscious. Let me try walking in it. Yeah, see, it doesn't flap open. Some of these just flap open so much that you end up holding your dress when you walk. And this is also lined, which is nice, fully lined right up to here. What do you think? Give me your thoughts on this dress. It's cute, and I do need to adjust the straps, but I'm not sure how flattering it is on me. This is the Floral Surplus Sleeveless Dress. It's in a small, it's $98. That's probably why it feels big. I think I need an extra small. It just kind of feels a little big, but it definitely gives a good idea of what, I love the colors. I think that's what draws me, the big print and the colors. Tell me what you think. summery and fun. To show you, they also threw in this pajama set that is kind of in this blush color, and it's by Tarte, and I didn't try it on. It's cute. I guess I should try it on. I'm not really in need of any sleepwear. I would have much preferred another top or skirt or another dress, but in any case, this is the Dixie short set in light pink. The set is $74. And I think that this was a great box. In summary, I think it was a pretty nice box. I think I'm gonna pass on the sweater, even though I said I was gonna see if they had a smaller size. I think I'm kind of done with sweaters for the season. I'm really thinking more spring and summer, and as much as I think it's a really nice sweater, I think I'm kind of over sweaters for the season. If it was on sale, I might consider it, but it's not. And these joggers, I'm gonna see if they have those in a smaller size. I'm definitely gonna keep these jeans and perhaps the navy shirt and the white shirt. I'm still needing to watch the footage back, and then I'll, decide, and I would really appreciate your input on what your favorite pieces are and what you think of this dress, if you think I should keep it or not. I did see on the invoice that they said get 50% off one item when you keep 3 and 50% off 2 items if you keep 5. So the discount applies to the lowest price, and it's automatically applied at checkout. So that's a nice incentive, getting that discount. So there we have it in my Daily Look box. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and try on, and I hope to have a trunk club here in the mail in the next week or so, and I will be looking for spring pieces, and my sister-in-law is getting married in July, so I did request a dress that would be appropriate for an outdoor wedding. This is her first marriage, and we could not be more excited for her. I love my soon-to-be brother-in-law, and they make the most perfect couple. And it is going to be at my in-laws' house in the backyard. They wanted, with COVID, they wanted to get married, but they didn't want to wait any longer. My father-in-law is in his mid-80s, and she just wanted him to be part of her wedding and really didn't want to put it off any longer. So they're going to do a beautiful outdoor wedding in their backyard. And so I hope to have some suitable dresses for that special occasion in my trunk club box. So there we have it. That should be here in the next week. So please hit subscribe, thumbs up, give me your comments on your favorite pieces, and we will see you next time.